Good morning, my dear students. Let us wind up chapter 6. Mention today's date 12 on this page number is 41. So do you know from this studying we are going to study from this. Do you know today's the Eskimos use automatic rifles for hunting and motorboats for fishing. Okay, Eskimos already we have discussed in the last video. Eskimos are the native people, basically born people of the Greenland. Okay, they are called the Eskimos, and nowadays they are using automatic rifles for hunting and motorboats for fishing. Okay, so occupations, what they are doing for their to earn their meals. Okay, so what is their occupation? The main occupations here are fishing, hunting and trading. Okay, Eskimos are good hunters who hunt with harpoons. You can see the picture of a harpoon by searching on net. Okay, it is a stick attached with a rope. Okay, long stick, straight stick attached with the rope to hunt the animals. Okay, so what do the Eskimos hunt? They hunt the seals, then walruses, then whales and the polar bear. Okay, so it is the small one man boat. It is used to hunt the small animals, small sea animals. So this boat is known as kayak. Okay, kayak. They use the skin of the seal for clothing. They eat its meat and use its fat for burning a lamp. Okay, then next, their clothes consist of furs and skins of animals. Eskimos use the sledges. As we discussed in the last video, sledges are the cart without wheels. Okay, it is pulled or rushed by the huskies, dog like animals, and a small boat called kayak. A kayak is a small one man canoe or boat made of walrus or seal skin stretched over a wooden frame. Okay, it is used to hunt sea animals. For hunting large animals like whales, big boats called umiak are used. Okay, so small boat is kayak. It is one man boat. One man can sit only in this boat, and this is used to hunt the small water animals. And for hunting the large animals like whales, big boat called umiak are used. So houses, Eskimos lived in small houses made up of ice, and this house is known as igloo. You can see the picture of igloo here. So it is a dome shaped home. Dome shaped means rounded top. Okay, rounded top. So having a low narrow opening means low means small in size and narrow means tight. Okay, tight way. So having a low or narrow opening, animal skin and fur are used to cover the floor. In summer they live in the skin tent called topigs. So you can see the picture of topigs. In summer they are living in such type of tent houses. Okay, next, clothing. Okay, I mentioned today's date here 12/8. Then clothing. The clothes are made from seal, reindeer and walrus skin. Eskimos wear waterproof shoes made from seal skin. Men, women and children wear jackets called parka. Then your wisdom. Check your wisdom here. Why a house made up of ice does not melt in the tundra region and keeps the Eskimos warm? Already we have discussed in the climatic paragraph. So why a house made up of ice does not melt in the tundra region? Because there is the temperature near or below the freezing point. Okay, near or below the freezing point. That's why these houses are not melting. And Eskimos, how they keep the Eskimos warm? Because Eskimos use the clothes made up of the skin of these animals like polar bear and seal, and these clothes keep them warm. And they are eating the heat producing food made up of the meat from these animals. So that's why Eskimos they feel warm, okay, here. Then next, the government has provided good facilities to the people of Greenland. Life has changed in Greenland. Many towns have developed now. The towns have all kinds of facilities as that in the other modern towns, like shops, then markets, then schools, colleges, hospitals, post offices and hotels, etc. Okay, so these are the facilities there. Towns, there are very few towns in Greenland. All of them are near to the coast of the southwest. Then Nuuk, it is the capital of Greenland. It is a big trade center and has a modern airport. It has a population around 15,000 and is the biggest and the oldest town in the Greenland. The next, Holstenborg, it is the administrative center and the second largest town in the Greenland. It has a large shipyard. Shipyard is the keyword here. It means a place where ships are built or repaired. With the population around 5,000. Other towns are Viipernavik, then Umanak, then Kazigianuk, then Ammasalik. Okay, so these are the other towns of Greenland. People now live in modern houses built of wood. Then motorboats have replaced the old kayaks and powerful rifles have replaced the harpoons. Okay, so in this way the life of the Greenland people has changed a lot. Okay, so you have to take the reading of this chapter and you have to revise the question answers and back exercise of this chapter.